Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate bark with chocolate chips. Melt chocolate gently using a double boiler or microwave in 20-second bursts, stirring until smooth. Pour on a parchment and spread to desired thickness with an offset spatula or spoon. Sprinkle nuts, dried fruit, or sea salt evenly while warm so they stick. Chill until set, then break into pieces and store in an airtight container. Melt chocolate slowly for a glossy finish and to avoid seizing. Use a bowl over simmering water or microwave in short bursts, stirring between intervals. If even a few grains feel gritty, add a teaspoon of neutral oil to smooth the texture. Keep chocolate warm but not hot while you prepare your toppings so it spreads easily. Proper melting makes the difference between dull and shiny bark. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipe ideas and food memories while you bake, with a glare-free screen and long battery life. It's lightweight for kitchen counters and great for fingerprint-free use. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose toppings that contrast in flavor and texture to make each bite interesting. Toast nuts lightly to bring out oils, and chop large pieces so they distribute evenly. Dried fruit adds chew, while seeds and pretzels add crunch. Press toppings lightly into warm chocolate so they adhere, and consider a drizzle of white or dark chocolate for a pretty finish. Chill fully before breaking to maintain clean edges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.